The 2011 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, power lift gate, heated seats, power passenger seat, third row seat, CD changer, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.